Hey guys, today I am going to discuss the problems on pair of straight lines. What is pair of straight lines? The combined equation of two lines is called pair of straight lines. Generally, y is equal to m1x and y is equal to m2x are two lines. The combined equation is taken as y minus m1x into y minus m2x is equal to 0. By simplifying, we will get y square minus m1 plus m2 into xy plus m1 m2 x square is equal to 0. So, rewriting the equation as ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is equal to 0. It is a homogeneous equation in x and y. So, we here pair of lines, both the lines passing through the origin, that is homogeneous equation. Both the lines not passing through the origin, that is non-homogeneous equation. We have likewise the discussion arise. So, if the equation, the homogeneous equation is of the form ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is equal to 0. Ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is equal to 0 represents two distinct lines passing through the origin. Distinct lines means distinct lines. Condition is h square minus ab greater than 0. Identical lines represents h square is equal to ab. This is identical lines. Imaginary lines h square minus ab less than 0. These are the conditions for the homogeneous equation of the form ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is equal to 0. So, using this, represent two distinct lines. What is our condition? H square. Compare this. 2h is equal to 2 here. So, h is equal to 1. Here, a is equal to a square we are having. B is equal to 4. Substituting here we get 1 square minus a square into 4 greater than 0. That is 4a square minus 1 less than 0. This can be written as 2a plus 1 into 2a minus 1 less than 0. In quadratic expressions, we have with us the formula x minus alpha into x minus beta less than 0. X lies in between alpha and beta. So, a lies in between minus 1 by 2 and plus 1 by 2. So, a lies in between minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 is third choice. The equation of pair of lines passing through the origin, whose sum and product of slopes are respectively the arithmetic mean and the geometric mean of 4 and 9. Okay. Let the slopes be m1 and m2. So, sum means sum of the slopes is equal to arithmetic mean of 4 and 9 means 4 plus 9 by 2. So, you have 13 by 2. Okay. Then, product of slopes m1 m2 is equal to geometric mean of 4 and 9. Geometric means root 4 into 9. Arithmetic mean formula a plus b by 2. Geometric mean formula root ab. So, root 4 9s, that is 36 6. So, equation means y minus m1x into y minus m2x is equal to 0. Multiplying y square minus m1 plus m2 into xy plus m1 m2 x square is equal to 0. So, substituting y square minus m1 plus m2 is 13 by 2 xy, m1 m2 means 6 x square is equal to 0. LCM 2y square minus 13xy plus 12x square is equal to 0. So rewriting 12x square minus 13xy plus 2y square is equal to 0. 12x square minus 13xy plus 2y square is first choice. If the slopes of the lines represented by ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is equal to 0 or in the ratio 3:2, then what are the conditions? If the slopes are in the ratio 3:2, that is m1 is to m2 is equal to 3:2, then our formula is m1 plus m2 whole square ab is equal to 4h square into m1 m2. That is our formula if the slopes are in the ratio. Here the ratio is given as 3:2. So 3 plus 2 whole square ab is equal to 4h square into 3 into 2. 3 plus 2 5. 25 ab is equal to 24h square. 25 ab is equal to 24h square. That is the right choice. The difference of slopes of the lines represented by x square into tan square theta plus cos square theta plus 2xy tan theta plus y square sin square theta is equal to 0. Here no constraints are given. So we take theta is equal to 45 degrees. Substitute here. X square tan 45 1 cos 45 1 by root 2 square 1 by 2 2xy tan theta is 1 plus y square sin 45 is 1 by root 2 1 by 2. So you have 3x square plus 4xy plus y square is equal to 0. Now compare this with ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is equal to 0. A is equal to 3, h is equal to 2, b is equal to 1. Difference of slopes m1 minus m2 is equal to 2 root h square minus ab by mod b. So 2 root h square, 2 square is 4 minus ab, 3 ones are 3 by mod b is 1. So 4 minus 3 is 1, 2 ones are 2 by 1 2, that is third choice. Simply using theta is equal to 45, substitute here, use the formula. If one of the lines in the pair of straight lines given by 4x square plus 6xy plus ky square is equal to 0 bisects the angle between the coordinate axis. Coordinate axis x axis y axis. Bisector means y is equal to x and another one is y is equal to minus x. If you see the figure, this is angular bisector between x axis and y axis. This is y is equal to x and another one is y is equal to minus x. So put y is equal to plus or minus x in the given equation. What happened? 4x square plus 6x into plus or minus x plus k into plus or minus x whole square is equal to 0. So 4x square plus or minus 6x square plus kx square is equal to 0. So x square common. 4 plus 6 plus k is equal to plus or minus 6. X square is not equal to 0. K plus 4 plus or minus 6. Take plus. K is equal to minus 10. Take minus. 4 minus 6 minus 2. K is equal to 2. So your answer is 2 comma minus 10. That is fourth choice. The centroid of the triangle formed by the pair of straight lines 12x square minus 20xy plus 7y square and the line 2x minus 3y plus 4 is equal to 0, the question. So these are the pair of lines passing through the origin. and the third line is here. What is the centroid? Actually, the shortcut is multiply the given options by 3 by 2. The point which satisfies the line, is our right answer. Take first option. 3 by 2 into, what is our first option? Minus 7 by 3, 7 by 3. So you have minus 7 by 2, 7 by 2. Substitute in the given line. 2 into minus 7 by 2, minus 7, that is 21 by 2 plus 4. So minus 14 minus 21 plus 8 not equal to 0. So first option is wrong. Second option, minus 8 by 3, 8 by 3, second option. Here you get 4, minus 4, 4. This is 3 cancel, minus 4 comma 4. Substitute in the given line. 4 2s are minus 8, 4 3s are 12 plus 4. No. Minus 20 plus 4 not equal to 0. No, it is not second option. Third option, 4 comma 4. Yes, 8 plus 4, 12 minus 12, 0. So, by verification, third choice. So, what is the shortcut used? Multiply the given options by 3 by 2. The point which you get has to satisfy the equation, that is third line, 2x minus 3y plus 4 is equal to 0. Which option satisfies the line is the right answer, that is centroid. So I have taken first option, second option, and finally I took the third option. 3 by 2 into 8 by 3. 3 gets cancelled, 2 4s are 8, 2 4s are 8, 4 4. Put 4 4 in the given line. 2 4s are 8, 4 3s are minus 12, 4. 8 plus 4, 12 minus 12, 0. So it is satisfied. So our answer is third choice. If px square minus y square plus 3x plus 11y plus q is equal to 0 represents a pair of perpendicular lines, then p comma q. If the equation represents a pair of perpendicular lines, a plus b is equal to 0. A means coefficient of x square, b means coefficient of y square is equal to 0. So p is equal to 1. In the given options, the value of p is 1. So it is already known, it is third choice. But if at all there is one more 1 is given, how to find q? The condition is delta is identically equal to abc plus 2fgh minus af square minus bg square minus ah square is equal to 0. A means p. Here I write a is p, b is minus 1, c is q, h is equal to no xy term 0, g is equal to 3 by 2, f is equal to 11 by 2 here. So substitute here a b c, a b c. A is p, p is 1 here, so you can write 1. 1 into minus 1 into q is minus q. 2fgh 0 minus a f square is 121 by 4 minus b means plus 1 g square is 9 by 4 ch square is 0. So send the q to there. Q is equal to minus 121 plus 9 by 4. So this is what? 121. Minus 121 plus 9. Minus 112 by 4. 4 2s are 8. 3. 4 8s are 32. So your answer is minus 28. The value of q is minus 28. P value 1. So your answer is 1 comma minus 28. The figure formed by the four lines 3x square plus 10xy plus 3y square is equal to 0 and 3x square plus 10xy plus 3y square minus 28x minus 28y plus 49 is equal to 0. If you see, the first three terms are same. So that means we can convey this as ax square plus 2hx square plus by square is equal to 0. Ax square plus 2hx square plus by square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. First we have to check a plus b is equal to, what is a? 3 plus 3 not equal to 0. If a plus b is equal to 0, then it may be a rectangle or a square. That means pair of perpendicular lines. So a plus b is 6 not equal to 0 here. So it is not at all a rectangle or a square. So 3 and 4 are not. Answer lies in only 1 and 2 because a plus b is not equal to 0. Then what is the another condition? A minus b into fg plus h into f square minus g square. If it is equal to 0, then it is rhombus. If it is not equal to 0, then it is a parallelogram. That is our condition. Now let us see. A minus b, 3 minus 3 into f minus 14, g minus 14 plus h 5 into f square minus 14 whole square minus 14 whole square. This is however 0, this is however 0, it is 0. So it is very clear that it is a rhombus. Keep it in mind. A plus b not equal to 0 and a minus b into fg plus h into f square minus g square not equal to 0, it is a parallelogram. A plus b not equal to 0, but this condition is 0, it is a rhombus. And a plus b is equal to 0 and this is not equal to 0, it is a rectangle. If both are equal to 0, then it is a square. So according to that rule, now we conclude that it forms a rhombus. The angle between the pair of straight lines formed by the joining the points of intersection of x square plus y square is equal to 4. It is a circle. And y is equal to 3x plus c is a right angle. Then c square is equal. That means homogenization. So what we have to write? First curve x square plus y square is equal to 4, equation 1. Y minus 3x by c is equal to 1, 2. We have to write the line as dividing by the constant and to make the RHS as 1. Homogenizing 1 by 2. Homogenizing 1 by 2. We get x square plus y square is equal to 4 into y minus 3x by c whole square. That means 4 into 1 square we have to write. Multiply. C square x square plus c square y square is equal to 4 into y square plus 9x square minus 6xy. Here it is a right angle. A plus b, coefficient of x square plus coefficient of y square is equal to 0. What is coefficient of x square is c square. Here y square c square. If you bring it to the left hand side, minus 4 and this is minus 36 for 9. You need not take xy term. So 2c square is equal to 40, c square is equal to 20. That is first choice. We have to homogenize it, right?